Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you on this Vauxhall Astra 1.6 how to replace your solenoid valve on the inlet and also exhaust side. So literally just unclip that part. Now let's just press that in, unplug that. We're going to need our 10mm spanner. I'm using a ratchet mill spanner just to loosen that. As you can see, just because there's not a lot of space there unless you actually want to remove the turbo. Now you should be able to just screw that off with your hand. As you can see, it's almost completely out. Try not to drop it. Now you should be able to just wiggle that and pull. Like so. Whoops. Need to put a cloth in now and just pull that out. Like so. So I can see there's loads of filings on that. So just going to clean up that little bit of oil sitting there. And we're going to get our brand spanking new exhaust solenoid valves. Slide that straight in there. Let's move this out of the way. Literally just push that all the way in, flush like that. Get our bolt, make sure it's lined up, and just screw that in by hand first. I'm going to go ahead and tighten that up now. Now we'll just plug our plug back in. So now let's do the inlet side. Plug that. Get our 10mm spanner. Wiggle and pull. See, that one's out as well. So as you can see, we've got a new one here. So now we're just gonna just line that up, slot it straight in like that. Get our bolt. We'll go ahead and tighten that up. Now that's tightened, so now we're going to just plug that back in, and that's it really. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.